This peculiar, almost alien scene is in fact the emergence of a brood of orchid mantids from their egg case. Mantids, like the great majority of animals, play the numbers game. Having over 60 hatchlings increases the chances that a few will make it to adulthood. During these first minutes, they are especially vulnerable. They must quickly hide away and wait for their soft bodies to harden. Within 20 minutes, they are transformed. Now, the immediate danger is from each other. Mantids will eat anything that moves, including other mantids. Time to leave. This tiny insect is now open to attack from predators lurking in the undergrowth. Whether an individual mantis survives or not is partly a matter of chance. Whether it's spotted by a predator, whether it turns right or left. So far, its luck has held. But this hungry jumping spider is still in pursuit. A mantis is born with exceptional eyesight, but the spider's is even better. There seems to be no escape. But this mantis has a surprising line in self-defense. Kung Fu, praying mantis style. Of course, it's all bluff, trying to look bigger and confuse its enemy. But it's got away with it. But there's still a long way to go. With a bit of luck, in 2 months' time, it will be as big and beautiful as this orchid mantid. Or maybe not.